What are your thoughts on the way the crypto asset part of it will be sort of looked at by the government?
No, look, the rupee obviously is not a fully convertible currency, and therefore there are restrictions on how you can use the rupee to buy assets that are non-rupee assets. And the RBI has laid down many ways of doing that. The LRS, the Liberalized Remittance Scheme, is the easiest way for an individual to invest in any asset he or she wants. And there is no disqualification from anybody owning a crypto asset as part of his portfolio of assets. What the budget and the tax code has just announced is the capital gains and the taxation regime for an asset that is now only entered into the vernacular of the tax inspector now. I mean, it didn't exist 2 years ago, so there's nothing surprising about, and so there's some conversation of whether the tax rate is high, low. These are things that evolve over time, and as in anything that is unknown or less understood, usually the instinct is to tax it at a high rate. And then as people become comfortable with it, those tax rates obviously moderate. But there is no ban on owning crypto assets. There is clearly a recognition that the digital virtual asset is a category of assets going forward, whether it's an NFT, whether it's a crypto, whether it's something else in the future, that these are things that people will start accumulating through the LRS or any other way. And those gains on those assets need to be taxed and offered for taxation, and those are the rates.
This is a very significant point you're making, Mr. Minister, because I think that whole clarity is not still very much there.
I don't. To be very honest, I don't understand what clarity, because it's reasonably commonsensical to me. If I can own real estate in New York, if I'm a businessman in Mumbai or a financial investor in Mumbai, and I have the way to use $250,000 a year to invest in real estate in the US or UK or wherever, I can use that $250,000 to invest in the stock markets, US stock markets. I can use it for crypto assets, virtual assets, as the case may be. So I don't quite understand when people say this is not clear. It is clear as much as common sense can make it clear. But maybe nobody put it out in a typed note and put it in front of people. So
probably the regulatory structure is what they are still not very clear about.
No, I think on that, I think there is clarity after the budget that if you are looking for a domestic crypto asset, there will be only one, and that will be the RBI issued CBDC, and that will be the digital rupee. And as that rolls out, the way the issuance of that, the mining of that, the minting of that, the buying of that will become clear from the issuer, the RBI. So, frankly, from my point of view, I think the landscape is very clear. It's very absolutely clear. There are some questions around existing crypto exchanges, crypto brokers, P2P types of trades on cryptos, what happens, who regulates them, and I think that will evolve.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.